Good morning, you're watching Breaking at 10. I'm Sanjana Chauhan. First up, let's take a look at the headlines we'll be tracking this hour. Rahul Gandhi to formally be appointed as the leader of the Congress's election campaign for the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. The AICC meeting will now focus on the party's poll strategy. And let's quickly cut across to the AICC session currently taking place in the capital. Right, in fact, these are visuals that are in fact coming in from the AICC session. I remember Kiran Kumar Reddy will not be attending today's AICC meeting, but it's also a very, very important day for the Congress and speculation drive, considering that yesterday, in fact, the Congress was actually playing it safe, saying that Rahul Gandhi would be formally appointed as the leader of the Congress's election campaign, from really saying whether he will be the Prime Ministerial nominee or not. Sonia, in fact, rejecting the CWC clamour, and Rahul saying that he will take up all responsibility after the polls. Now, the AICC meeting will supposedly focus on the party's poll strategy. And our guest, in fact, joining us live from the studio, Shiv Vishwanathan, noted sociologist, and Hartosh Singh Bal, senior journalist. Mr. Vishwanathan, we were, in fact, talking about the future of the Congress as a party and how it is important for the country as a democracy. And with the epic drubbing they sort of received in the last elections, and the fact that Rahul is not really being able to come to the fore as aggressively as, say, other parties in terms of developing and, taking new risks. What do you foresee for the party?
See, I want to say two things. I think the decline of the Congress was crucial for the emergence of the new politics. Neither Modi nor AAP would have emerged till there was an anti-Congress wave. So one must be thankful to the Congress for creating a change which it couldn't create itself. But I think there's a deeper tragedy. The Congress doesn't belong to the family, it belongs to the nation. I think it's a venerable party. And I think to a certain extent, the recovery of the Congress is the crucial part of democracy. I don't see that. In fact, if you see the kind of things staged on TV, this could be a reality show. Rahul could be the new reluctant big boss who wants to stay till the end of the show but doesn't want to be elected leader. It's surreal. Is this a costume ball or an actual act of politics? And someone from outside would find it very difficult to decide.
Let's bring in Sharad Pradhan, senior journalist, also joining us. Mr. Pradhan, when do you think that the Congress should have started working aggressively in terms of recovery of its party to actually sort of, bring in new faces and give it this new squeaky clean image? Because even now, as we see our editor-at-large Rahul Kanwal speaking with the several Congress workers, they're lacking that aggressiveness. They're not sure. They're playing it extremely safe.
The reason is, a lack of definite leadership. Rahul has always been a reluctant leader. Rahul has, he's treated like a tourist who goes to a particular state and then vanishes from the scene. And in the states, what they have done in most states, including Uttar Pradesh, which is very important for them politically, considering there are 80 seats for the parliament, they keep changing the leaders. And by the time a leader is able to establish himself, he's changed because somebody doesn't like his face. There's no valid reason. So, there's been they've created a total mess, and the trouble is that Rahul has been concentrating so much on his own constituency or his mother's constituency. It seems as if the whole country rests in their and there too they have received a lot of flack now, considering that people are wanting to ask what they have done for the constituencies, the two constituencies, Amethi and Raebareli. So, it's a bit too late in the day to have woken up from their slumber. These 5 years that have gone past, Rahul was busy concentrating on NSUI, Youth Congress, which in effect today is of not as much use as they needed the party organization to have been activated, to have been energized.